I believe this is your page. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I am being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, wait a sec. This is the website. Yeah, my boss figures that an agency could get like $1,200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. And I would add your photos in this gallery link and your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. And if you have any other services that you want to add, we can put it here on this link. And about your company on this link, your company profile. Yeah, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention my name is Julie and I'm working at Agent Boomer Marketing and Red Tier. Talk to you soon.